twist na lang daw.
Okay, say hi.
Hello guys! We're at Baumon.
Hello, Miss Upol. Care to explain what's happening?
So right now we're in Baumon and we're riding the boat. First place we daw to sa Kamulan Festival boat competition. And now we're doing the street dancing. Hello! Welcome to dito kami sa
nangyayari ng first place.
sa Kamulan Festival.
Ano tawag dito? Super cool ng Philippines. And you guys should gonna force myself in here. I'm just gonna take a video, okay? I'm not gonna push anyone to be in a position. I'm not gonna hurt anyone. Can you say hi to the live? I'm just gonna take a video. Hi! Explain naman yun. Super cool ng live. As you can see, this is Bukidnon. We are in Baumon.
Para yung watermark niya.
Wait, I'm gonna go live too.
Do you just twist the ka?
Hindi, pinakakita ko kasi yung...
I mean like,
Ay, yung flip talaga. Oo. So how do you feel, Miss Opal?
Russell, ba't nanonood si Russell?
Wala ba silang ganap? I don't know. Hansha, how do you feel that you're in Baumon?
I'm so happy, excited talaga. Parang sabi nila last year daw, yung mga Miss Philippines were, masaya sila sa Bukidnon. So, I think the experience aside sa Borongan.
I feel the same way actually. And I feel that Miss Pasi.
Hello everyone!
Say hi!
Ang napakaganda ng necklace. Mamaya gagawa kami nito.
I'm so excited!
Work on the pouch.
And also the pouches from Baumon. Very fun. Hi guys, how do you feel being here in Baungan?
So great!
yes!
Hi everyone!
Hospitality at its finest.
Hi everyone! Maayong adlaw!
Hello everyone! Okay, out of inyo alon, maayon na Daliman. Okay, very Bukidnon. Maayon. Masalem. Miss Basi City. Morning. How do you feel being in Baungon? May San Rio sa inyo? Very welcome to be here.
Yes. First time ko namin ma-parade, no?
Gusto ko sa tanongin si Chauncey, what the costume or what the fit means.
But we have different colors. Red, blue, pero ano din yung mga colors. Depende yan sa tribe naman. Every municipality.
Kala ko in general, gusto ko yung tribe.
No, there are 7 tribes in Bukidnon. Kaya nga nagkakaroon ng Kamulan Festival, which means Amul gather. So nag-gather yung 7 tribes.
Now you know. Now you know. There's so much to learn. Kasi very full of preserved culture.
Mix din. Ayan na, for the start na, guys! Samahan nyo kami sa parade na to.
Moving na.
Yes, we're moving na.
Okay. You guys can comment who you wanna ask.
Pa-shout out. Sorry, wala si Miss Rosie. Yeah, nasa kabila ng team siya. I think we're 12.
Half of us are in Baungan and the other half is
Baungan din, pero iba yung ano nila.
Libona sila.
Ibang barangay.
Libona, I know. They're in Libona.
okay. So I'm gonna
It's a municipality.
Ibang kabilang municipality.
Mas malapit doon.
They do have ano rin. Welcome parade.
Hello everyone!
Hi everyone!
I am Feliz Lorentea Solomon Sanchez of Sindangan, Zamboanga.
And I am Iramel Imutanal Feche from Matanao, Davao del Sur.
Guys, wait.
So everyone,
People
stay
are
tuned for our activities here in Bukidnon. So
Starting April 28 to May 4, and then next is May 8 to May 11.
yeah, so stay tuned guys for our swimsuit competition here in
April 2024. And then on our talent competition sa Iligan on May 5, 2024. And also our grand coronation night
on May 11, 2024 at Talakag, Bukidnon. So see you there!
I hope you can all support us or the candidates that you support. Still continue to watch our live, continue to follow our Facebook page, the Miss Philippines Earth, and our YouTube channel, Miss Philippines Earth, and so on, and with our social media accounts.
Thank you so much for all of your love and support, and may you will continue that until our Grand Coronation night. See you there! Thank you, guys!